Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and good. I'm your maths teacher, Miss Kakisha. Okay, say Bismillah Rahman Rahim with me. In today's maths class, we will revise some important topics. So the topic we will revise today are greater or smaller than, and the other topic is subtraction of two-digit numbers. So let's begin our lecture with greater or smaller than. So the thing that you must remember is these signs. You must see these signs in your book. I told you earlier that these signs are look like the alligator mouth. And all of you know that the alligator loves to eat the bigger number, right? So we have to open the mouth of alligator towards the bigger number, right? Okay. Here we have a question, fill in the symbols. You have to put the right symbol against the number. In part A, we have two numbers, 383 and 529. When we compare two numbers, we will look first the highest value of the number, means 100th place. We will see the 100th place of both the numbers. So in the first number, 3 is on the 100th place. And in the second number, we have 5. So which number is bigger? Yes, 5 is bigger than 3. So we will write this sign. It means alligator open its mouth towards the bigger number. In part B, we have 984 and the other number is 971. First, we will see the 100 place digits. On 100 place, we have the same number. So what do? I will move towards the 10 place. On the 10 place, we have 8 and in the next number, we have 7. So which number is bigger between these two numbers? Yes, 8. So we will put this sign. In part C, we have 531 and the other number is 751. Again, we will see the numbers on the 100 place. In first number, we have 5 and in second number, we have 7 on 100 place. So which number is bigger? Yes, 7 is bigger than 5. So we will write this symbol, the alligator mouth towards the bigger number. In part D, we have 786 and the other number is 781. So again, we will see the 100 place values. On 100 place, we have the same number, 7. Then we will move towards the 10 place values. On 10 place, we have again the same number, 8. So what do? I will move towards the 1 place. In one column, we have 6 in one number and in other number we have 1. So which number is bigger between 6 and 1? Yes, 6 is bigger than 1. It means 786 is bigger than 781. In part E, we have 825 and the other number is 823. Again, see the numbers on 100 place. Both numbers have the same digits on 100 place. Then we will move towards the 10 place. both numbers have again same digits on the 10 place. Then we will move towards the 1 place. So what is the number on 1 place? It's 5. And in other number we have 3 in 1 place. So which number is bigger? Yes, 5. It means 825 is bigger than 823. Okay. The next topic is subtraction. You all know subtraction means taking away. We will do only 2-digit numbers. You have 4 questions on your screen. In part A, we have to subtract 13 from 29. All of you know that in subtraction, we first do subtraction in ones column. Right? We'll start from the right hand side of the question. So in ones place, we have 3 and 9. We have to subtract 3 from 9. So what do? I will keep 3 in my mind and go up till 9. And during the when I go to till 9, I will open my finger. Okay, so keep 3 in your mind and start counting after 3 till 9. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many fingers? 6. Yes. In tens column, we have to subtract 1 from 2. So keep in mind the 1 and count till 2. So after 1, we have 2. Only 1 finger. Very good. Well done. In part B, in ones column, we have 3 and 2. We have to subtract 2 from 3. So keep 2 in mind and count till 3. After 2 we have 3. So only 1 finger. In tens column we have to subtract 5 from 7. So keep 5 in your mind and count till 7 and open your fingers. After 5 we have 6, 7. So how many fingers? Yes, 2. Well done. Okay. In part C, again move towards the ones column. We have 1 and 2. Can we subtract 2 from 1? No, it's difficult. It's same as if you have 1 pencil and I am asking you to give 2 pencils to me. If you have 1 pencil, can you give me 2 pencils? No. So what can you do? You will borrow from others. So this one from one place will borrow 1 from this 10 place value. Right? So the number that is 4 on 10 place will give 1 to the ones place. And we will deduct 1 from this number. This 4 gave 1 to the ones place. So it becomes 11. Now we have 11 on one place and we have to subtract 2 from it. So what do? I will keep in mind the number 2 and I will count till 11 and open the fingers with my counting. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many fingers you got? Yes, 9. Now on the 10th place we have 3 and we have to subtract 2 from the 3. So keep in mind the digit 2 and count till 3. So after 2, 3, only 1 finger. So the answer is 19. In part D, we have to subtract 34 from 52. Again, first look on the ones column. In one column, we have 2 and 4. We have to subtract 4 from 2. Is it possible? No. So what can I do? I will borrow from the tens column. When tens column give 1 to ones column, it have 4 left. So in ones column, we have 12 now. Now we have to subtract 4 from 12. Again, keep the digit 4 in your mind and count till 12 and open your finger with your counting. So after 4, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many fingers? 8. Good. Okay. Now on the 10 place we have 4 and we have to subtract 3. Again, keep the digit 3 in your mind and count till 4. So after 3 we have 4. Only one finger. So here student, we have finished these both topics. I hope you learned this topic well. Okay students, thank you so much. Okay, have a nice day. And oh, remember one thing. I have to share one important thing with you. Always say salam to all. Okay, this is the good thing which I want to share with you. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.